Today I'll be showing you a cool free plugin by Pixflow with over 43 effects and overlays for your projects. I'll be showing you exactly how to install the plugin plus some creative ways to use them in your projects. So to install the plugin, we'll first start by heading to pixflow.net and selecting plugins. We'll then locate the Motion Factory Classic plugin, or alternatively just head to the link in the description. Click download for Windows and then run the installer. Once fully installed, we can head into After Effects and locate the plugin. To do this, select Window, Extensions and ensure Motion Factory Classic is selected. I've placed my plugin window on the left hand side as it's easier to preview the effects. Now it's time for the fun part, seeing just how many cool effects this plugin comes with. The plugin is split into 8 categories, so you'll be sure to find something you can use in your own projects. These make perfect assets for action shots, final touches to dynamic effects and so much more. Here I've got a logo animation I created, but I want to enhance it. Also, if you want to learn how to create this animation, be sure to return next week where we'll go over the full project. So back to the plugin. As my animation already has a lot of neon elements, I'm looking for a way to tie in the blank areas. The electricity effect here will work great at the start of my animation. All I do now is hit create and let the effect do the work. The effect will open in a new composition, allowing you to separately edit the colours, position and size. I'm going to take colour inspiration from my original text layer to tie everything in. Let's look for something bigger to really transform our animation. The water effect here fills the entire screen, so my idea now is to use this for a transition at the end of my timeline. Once we find where we want to add this effect, we'll split our text layer when it's been completely covered by the water. Press Ctrl, Shift and D to split the layer, then delete the rest. Now if we preview our timeline, we can see the effect perfectly transitions out our text. We'll try 2 more effects now. The first fire effect in the category looks perfect for what I have in mind. Once again, hit create and it'll add it to the timeline. I'm going to use colours from my text again to customise this fire effect. I want it to look more like a neon purple or paint effect rather than the fire. And now, let's change the preview section so our animation loops. I'm really liking how this looks now. And for our final effect, we'll add another fire overlay and edit its colours. So my layer has been pre-composed with some 3D camera movement on it. If we view that layer with our new effects, we get something totally different and dynamic. So I hope you found this useful. If you want to learn how to make this text effect from scratch in under 5 minutes, then be sure to return next week. You can vote for which videos you want to see in my community tab. I'm always open to new ideas and I love helping you guys out. But for now, my 2 playlists, AI guide and design tutorials, have lots of videos where we make and go over cool things. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.